Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today video we will discuss about income tax deduction part, which is start from ATC to ATU. So let me show you that deduction part. Once you log in your income tax website, just select the financial year, ITR form, original. So when you come to computation of tax, income tax, so here the deduction part is starting. So it start from ATC to ATU, and this video is mainly for the salary employees so that they can use the deduction part and save that tax. So let me start with ATC. So it says the life insurance, annuity, contribution to PF. So what are the things are covered under ATC? Let me show you. So if you see under ATC is your PF amount, whatever your contribution is that you can show it. Insurance amount, then children tuition fee, only the tuition fee, not books and transport fees, that you should not include. Only tuition fee you have to include. Then PPF, ELS, ELSS, FD. You should do five years term. If it is 4 year 3 years, then you are not eligible to claim that. And FD, whatever interest you are getting, that is a taxable. You have to show that interest under income from other sources. Then post office there, and if you purchase any new house property, and stamp duty and registration charge also you can show under ATC. The last thing is a housing loan principal amount. If you are purchase any home loan on loan, then you can show the principal amount under ATC, and interest you can show under section 24. Then 80CCC and CCD1, it's all cover under ATC only. The limits is 1,50,000. So if I show you here, so all together you have to put 1,50,000. If you put 1,60,000 also, it will take the eligible amount is 150. 80CCC and 80CCD, it's covered under this only. For example, if you put 550,000 or 10,000, whatever, it will not take, because the limit is 1,50,000. Now it's coming to 80CCD 1B, contribution to pension scheme of central government. So this section, if you come to my PPT, so 80CCD 1B, it's purely related to national pension scheme. So if you want to save your more tax, so you can invest in NPS. In NPS also two types are there, tier 1 and tier 2. So tier 1, it's for retirement purpose. You have to invest till 60. You can't withdraw till 60 years, and whatever the after 60 you will get the maturity amount, that is also you will get up to 40 to 50% only, and remaining 60% you have to reinvest in annuity plan. And if you invest in tier 1, then you are eligible for this section for 50,000. But if you invest in tier 2, then it's a voluntary investment, you can't claim any exception under this section. And section CCD2, it's related to pension scheme, national pension scheme only. Here your employer will contribute, and he can contribute up to 10% of your salary. What do you mean by 10% of your salary? Let me show you. Say suppose the salary is 14,28,000. Now under 1B, I can invest up to 50,000. So if I invest 60,000 also, we are eligible for 50,000 only. And in ATCC 2D, so my salary is 14 lakhs. So 10% of 14 lakhs is 1,40,000. So say suppose if my employer invest 1,50,000 also, I am eligible for 1,40,000 only. So 10% of that. Now that ATD is related to health insurance plan. Let's go to PPT again. So in medical policy, you can see that the limit is 25,000 only. If for you, your wife and children are there, so you can take a health insurance up to 25,000. And if you want to include your parents, the another 25,000. The both are below 60 age. So maximum limit ATD you can claim up to 50,000. And say suppose you took for 25,000, and your parents are citizen, for them you can climb up to 50,000. So total 75. In third scenario, if you and your father also senior citizen, means the limit is 50-50. So total 1 lakh you can climb as a insurance medical health insurance premium only. So let me go back to income tax website. So here, to update here, you have to go to new tabs, schedule 80D. So here you have to update. One more thing, if you are taken policy in your name but your parents are senior citizen and you are not able to, but many health insurance not giving policy to senior citizen. So in that case, if you not taken any policy for your parents and you have done any medical expenses, that expenses also you can claim. So if you see here, medical expenditure, this deduction can be claimed only which health insurance is not claimed. So in health insurance you not taken for parents, so that here also 50,000 up to you can claim under this section. So going back to 80D is over. 80DD, maintenance including medical treatment of a dependence. In 80DD section, your parent, your dependents, if they have any handicap kind of thing, then there is a certain percentage. If 40 to 80% is there, then up to 75,000 you can claim. And if it is severe disability is there, more than 80%, then up to 1,25,000 you can claim. So if I show you here, they will ask two options. Disable, so I said 75,000. If I put 80, it will take 75 only. And second option 1,25,000. If I put 130 also, it will take 125. For this case, you have to get a certificate from the doctor. They will verify your dependent and they will confirm whether the handicap means a disability is there or not. Now 80DDB, medical treatment specified disease. So in this case if you see, so here limit is 40,000 for self and dependent, and if senior citizen up to 1 lakh. So whatever treatment expenses is done, specified disease only. Say suppose 50,000 you done expenses for that treatment, but you will be the eligible for 40,000 only. In case if 30,000 is expenses is done, then whichever is less, that only you can claim. We'll see here. So I said 40,000 is the limit, so 40,000 is coming. And if it is a senior citizen, then 1,20,000 if I put, it will take 1 lakh only. So this is the limit. So for every deduction there is a limit. More than that you can't claim it. Now 80E, interest on loan taken for higher education. So if you took any loan for your son or for your children's or for yourself also, and you are paying that interest for last 8 years, then that interest portion, whatever interest you are paying, that interest you can claim here. There is no limit. Then 80EE, interest on loan taken for resident house property. So in financial year 2016-17, government has announced that interest portion, so the limit is 2 lakh. So if you see house property interest on borrowing, so here the limit is 2 lakh only. If you bought any housing loan in 2016 and 17 and interest is 2,50,000 you paid, means 2 lakhs you can claim here, and 50,000 you can show under 80EE. So here 50,000 you can claim. If I put 60,000 also, it will take 50,000 only, because that is the limit. Now in last financial year 19-20, one more new section came that you can claim the deduction housing loan if the house property. There are certain rules and condition also. You have to check out that rules and condition. Based on that you can claim. So in this deduction we can claim interest up to 1,50,000. Say for example, last year you bought a house which value is less than 35 lakhs and you paid interest of 3,60,000. 2 lakhs you can claim in under section 24, and balance 160 you can put here, but you are eligible to claim 1,50,000 only, and this should be your first house property. If you already have 2-3 house, then you are not eligible. One more new section is the electrical vehicle. If you are bought any electrical vehicle on loan, that loan interest amount you can claim here. But the thing is that electric vehicle you have to use for your business purpose only, then only you are eligible. Only for if you have salary cases, then it's not eligible for you. Then donation for charity, donation for research and development, donation for political parties. So it's depend 50% and 100% you can claim on that. Now here section 80GG rent paid. So here also one rent paid is there, and if you go above nature of exempt allowance, so here 10 13, if you see here also one rent allowance. So what is the difference between these two rent allowance? If you check your pay slip, there will be a basic HRA and other allowance. So in your pay slip, if HRA is there, then you are eligible for this HRA only. In case if your company is not paying any HRA to you, then you have to come here 80GG rent paid, and this also has a limit of 5,000 only. Say suppose if you put 70,000 only, you can eligible only 60,000. Donation is over. Here interest on saving bank account in case of other than senior citizen. For normal human being, if you are getting any interest from your savings bank account, say suppose last year if I got 20,000 as interest from my saving account, so from 20,000 is a taxable, but here one section is there where up to 10,000 you can claim that exception. So I have to pay balance tax on 10,000 only, not on entire 20,000. And in case if you are senior citizen, then the limit increase to 50,000. So this this login is mine, so that's why I'm not a senior citizen, so it's a disable now. And ATU, so ATU is also for a disability. So what is the difference between this ATDD? Here also disability is there, and ATU also is there. So this is for dependent and this is for assessee. So if I am facing any problem in my body, so if you see here ADU, so up to 75,000 if it is normal, and if it is serious case then up to 1,25,000. So say suppose now selecting normal, up to 75,000 we can claim. And in same case if I say it's affected more, then up to 1,30,000 1,25,000 I can claim. So this all about the deduction part, and if you have any question in deduction part, you can comment below. Let me go to presentation also. Yeah, that's it. And one more thing, that every week I am conducting a session on Sunday 11:30 or 12 around that on income tax, GST and PF ESI related. So if you want to join that classes, you can just WhatsApp me at this number. I will add you in my WhatsApp group, and there only I share the link. It's totally free of cost as of now. So if you learn something new, then just leave a message below. I will happy to read that. So see you in next video. Till then, हमें भी आपके दुआओं में याद रखना.